The James Webb Space Telescope has just transmitted a startling message that has left all NASA scientists in stunned silence. The largest optical telescope in space has been studying various elements of our vast universe for years, uncovering numerous phenomena. However, the most recent image has sent shockwaves through the worlds of science and astronomy. What alarming image has the James Webb Telescope captured? Could it have snapped a photograph of an alien presence in the far reaches of space? Join us as we delve into these chilling new images revealed by the James Webb Telescope. Images unlike anything we've seen before. If you're keen on staying updated with the latest news about the universe and its surroundings, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and activate the notification bell. NASA's $10 billion James Webb Space Telescope was launched by the European Space Agency from French Guiana. After it reached its new cosmic location, this infrared observatory began offering spectacular views of the cosmos, thrilling both scientists and astronomers alike. As the largest and most advanced space telescope to date, the excitement was palpable when the first scientific images captured by Webb were unveiled. However, what they saw almost left them speechless. When the James Webb Space Telescope turned its instruments toward the famous pillars of creation, it captured the renowned gas clouds in stunning detail. These pillars are situated in the Serpens constellation, approximately 7,000 light-years away from Earth. They are part of the Eagle Nebula, large clouds of gas and dust that the Hubble Space Telescope first photographed in 1995. Since then, the pillars have been celebrated for their extraordinary beauty. The new photograph taken by the James Webb Space Telescope reveals these pillars of creation in even sharper detail. Numerous stars previously invisible in Hubble's images are now visible, some having formed only a few 100,000 years ago. This marks a significant breakthrough in science, though it's still uncertain whether these stars are part of any extraterrestrial constructions. The James Webb Space Telescope also observed the Pandora cluster, delivering another spectacular image. This name draws inspiration from Greek mythology, where Pandora's curiosity led to the release of evil and suffering into the world. In a similar vein, the James Webb Space Telescope focused on a specific region of space called the Pandora cluster, a concept first predicted by Albert Einstein in 1915. These new images have left scientists scratching their heads as they reveal features previously unknown in this area of space. However, this region of space is formally known as Able 2744, part of the Pandora cluster, and showcases a variety of distinct structures. What makes this image remarkable is that while the region has been studied before, it was only the central core that had been analyzed by the Hubble Space Telescope. This suggests that many important secrets are still hidden in this intriguing region of space. It wasn't until the James Webb Space Telescope aimed its powerful infrared instruments at the Pandora cluster that these details began to emerge. The team used Webb's near-infrared spectrograph and near-infrared camera as part of the Deep Observation program before the ionization epoch. The team took 4 snapshots, which were then combined into a panoramic image revealing around 5,000 infrared light sources within the Pandora cluster, located about 3.5 billion light-years away. The image struck an impressive balance between depth and breadth, which could drastically shift our understanding of galactic evolution. One highlight of this image is a bright foreground star from the Milky Way displaying unique diffraction peaks created by Webb's instruments. Bright sources of white light surrounded by a hazy glow also appear, corresponding to distant galaxies within the Pandora cluster. While human-developed technology was essential for observing this galaxy cluster, astronomers also relied on a natural phenomenon proposed by Einstein in his General Theory of Relativity published in 1915. In addition to thrilling discoveries, the James Webb Space Telescope has captured strange space phenomena that even scientists are struggling to fully comprehend. One such enigma is the mysterious concentric rings observed around a distant star, which astronomers have yet to explain. A citizen scientist posted the image on Twitter, sparking a flood of comments and debates within the scientific community. The image showed a star named WR140 surrounded by regular wave-like circles that gradually faded. What stood out, however, was that these circles weren't perfectly round. They had a somewhat square shape. This immediately led to theories about a possible extraterrestrial origin. However, some scientists argued that this could simply be a natural occurrence viewed from a single perspective, as sometimes nature can present extraordinary phenomena that have simple explanations. Still, questions persist. Why do these rings have that particular shape, and why are they so regular? This mystery has troubled many scientists, including Smith, who isn't the only one puzzled by these images. Mark, an interdisciplinary scientist from the JWST Science Working Group and a science advisor to the European Space Agency, explained on Twitter that the blue structure in the image is an artifact caused by optical diffraction from the bright star WR140. He also noted that the red curvature seen in the image is real and represents a series of shells surrounding WR140 in space. Although NASA is expected to release a statement soon regarding this phenomenon, one thing is certain. In general, young stars tend to glow bright blue, and over time, they shift to a more reddish hue as they consume their fuel and cool. Astronomers didn't anticipate seeing red stars in the ancient galaxies that the James Webb Space Telescope was built to study, nor did they expect to find galaxies much more massive than our own. These red spots revealed by Webb appeared to be 50 times more massive than expected. According to Joya, the most massive galaxies in this study are estimated to be between 2 and 4 times less massive than the Milky Way. This discovery is shocking because galaxies, as massive as ours, were thought to have formed much later, when the universe was only 3% of its current age. Leah also mentioned that before astronomers begin revising cosmological theories to explain how these galaxies formed so quickly after the Big Bang, they need to ensure that these strange red spots aren't something else. However, even if alternative explanations were proposed, they would require entirely new concepts. Theories and expert reactions suggest that stars in the early universe may have emitted light in unique ways due to a lack of heavy elements, which are not accounted for in our current models. The images showing these massive galaxies were captured by Webb's near-infrared camera as part of the Cosmic Evolution Early Release Science program. The team plans to revisit these galaxies and gather spectra from distant points. The spectra will break down the observed light by its composition and wavelength, providing critical information about the chemical and physical properties of the source. Most importantly, the spectra will allow scientists to precisely measure the distance to these objects, helping to confirm their identity. If we can determine the distance, we can better understand what these objects truly are. Just 6 months after the James Webb Space Telescope's first public observations, scientists are already being forced to revise their theories about the early universe. The telescope's exploration of this ancient era has uncovered such unexpected findings that they pose significant challenges to establish scientific understanding, particularly concerning the formation of early galaxies. Another awe-inspiring image captured by the James Webb Space Telescope shows the Ghost Galaxy, which appears to spin like a wormhole before our eyes. This image, based on deep space data, highlights the dust lanes of galaxy NGC 628, also known as M74. Previously called the perfect spiral, due to its symmetry, the Ghost Galaxy is particularly interesting because it is thought to harbor an intermediate mass black hole at its center. While the Ghost Galaxy has been observed multiple times by other space telescopes, Webb's infrared observations stand out because they reveal cosmic dust in extraordinary detail, enhanced by its unique 18-segment hexagonal mirror and its position in deep space. As we dive deeper into the discoveries made by the James Webb Space Telescope, we start to realize that each new image, each new observation, brings us closer to answering some of the universe's most profound questions. What's even more extraordinary is that these discoveries aren't just about new data points or incredible visuals. They are also reshaping how we view the cosmos. These unprecedented findings challenge what we thought we knew about space, time, and the very formation of galaxies. One fascinating aspect is how Webb's infrared technology is revealing the invisible parts of space, giving us a clearer picture of previously unseen phenomena. While Hubble and other telescopes have provided breathtaking images in the visible spectrum, Webb's infrared capabilities allow scientists to peer through cosmic dust and gas, unveiling objects that were once hidden from view. The sheer clarity and depth of the images Webb has produced are helping to answer some of astronomy's toughest questions, such as the origins of galaxy formation and the behavior of black holes. Take, for instance, the images of early galaxies. The James Webb Space Telescope has captured galaxies that existed only a few 100 million years after the Big Bang, a period known as the Cosmic Dawn. These galaxies are older and more massive than scientists had expected to find at such an early stage of the universe's existence. The findings challenge existing models of galaxy formation and evolution, suggesting that these early galaxies may have formed much faster and in more diverse ways than previously believed. This has prompted scientists to rethink our understanding of how galaxies evolve over time. In addition to its observations of distant galaxies, Webb has also provided new insights into the atmospheres of exoplanets, opening up a whole new avenue of research in the search for life beyond Earth. By studying the light passing through the atmospheres of exoplanets, astronomers can now detect the presence of gases like methane, carbon dioxide, and even water vapor, which could be potential indicators of habitability. This capability marks a major milestone in the hunt for extraterrestrial life, providing us with tools to better understand the conditions that may support life on planets far beyond our solar system. The James Webb Space Telescope also brings us closer to understanding the nature of dark matter and dark energy, two of the most mysterious forces in the universe. While much of the telescope's current work focuses on observable phenomena, its detailed observations could provide crucial clues that help scientists identify these invisible forces. By examining the way galaxies interact with each other and the way light bends in space, Webb could reveal hidden properties of dark matter, which makes up a significant portion of the universe's mass. Similarly, its ability to study the expansion of the universe could help researchers gain a better understanding of dark energy, the force believed to be responsible for the accelerated expansion of the cosmos. What makes these discoveries even more significant is that the James Webb Space Telescope is still in the early stages of its mission. With many more observations to come, we can only imagine the wonders it will continue to reveal as it explores the furthest reaches of space. Scientists are already planning additional observations to deepen our understanding of the galaxies, stars, and exoplanets that Webb has introduced us to. These observations will help refine our models of the universe and potentially rewrite some of the fundamental laws of physics. As we look ahead, we are also reminded of how much more there is to discover. The universe is vast, and our understanding of it is still in its infancy. The James Webb Space Telescope represents a giant leap forward in our exploration of the cosmos. However, it is clear that there is so much more to uncover. The discoveries made so far have only scratched the surface, and with each new image or piece of data, we get closer to answering questions that have baffled scientists for centuries. The revelations brought to light by the James Webb Space Telescope remind us of the boundless mysteries of the universe, many of which remain hidden from our sight. As we continue to explore and learn more, it is essential to remain open-minded and flexible in our thinking. Our current models may not be the final answers, but they are stepping stones toward greater understanding. Webb's groundbreaking work serves as a testament to the progress of human knowledge and our unyielding curiosity about the universe we inhabit. In conclusion, The James Webb Space Telescope has already begun to reshape the field of astronomy in ways we could have only imagined a few years ago. With its unrivaled precision and power, it has opened up new frontiers in our understanding of the universe, from the first galaxies formed after the Big Bang to the detailed study of alien atmospheres. While there are still many mysteries to solve, the discoveries Webb has made so far has set the stage for even more exciting revelations in the future. Stay tuned as the universe continues to unfold before our eyes, and the James Webb Space Telescope continues to reveal the secrets of the cosmos.